Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we will see how to create the table content in the Word. So I created one table content here. You can see here I created this Word and this is a content and is showing the all the topic that available in the document: objective, introduction, and methodologies, and in the last conclusions are available. So this is all showing here and with the numbers of the pages where the that introduction is available. When you click there, control enter, they will be automatic route on that particular ones. So this is how these content will be helped and how you can make the content stable in your Word. So we will see. So I'm creating a new document here. So I press the control N and this is a new document. Here we will create a new document. So for this, first of all, I'm creating the some topic name. So let's suppose I'm creating the topic name is my document, and I'm giving the size for this, and I'm putting in the middle. Then what I'm doing, I'm creating the headings. So first I created the heading one. So in the heading one, I'm writing the introduction. So introduction. Then this is a normal one. Okay. Then I'm putting some random text here. So I put it equals and rand function. It's showing the random function, random text here. Then I'm writing the another topic. Let's suppose the objective. So I write it the objective like simply. I'm not using the styles. Then I press the enter. Now, if you want to convert this into the heading, go into the references and click here add text. Then level one. Level 1 means is showing the in the first one. So it's like the heading. Okay. So we put it something here, introduction in the objective here. Then I'm going into the references, then table of contents. So you can see here is showing the automatic table 1, table 2, manual table, and the more tables contents from the office.com and the custom table of contents and remove the table contents. So basically we are choosing the both the first and two, and if you want to manual, so you can do it manual. So first of all, I'm checking taking the first one. Now you can see here automatically the content is showing the introduction and the objective. Okay, now I'm making the more here. Okay, let's suppose I'm making the new one. It's related to the methods. So which methods I'm using here in the my topic. So I put it the methods. Then I'm going into the references, then add text in the level 1. Now it's added, but let's see if it's available in content or not. No, it's not available in content. So what we need to do here, we need to click on update table, else this option is available in the references. So you need to click here on the update table. Now update entire table, then okay. Now you can see here the methods is now available in the second page. Okay, in that particular. So I'm going into the method. Now I'm putting something random text more here. Now this is the, now let's suppose you're saying that I want to insert more things here. I want to insert a footnote. So insert a footnote, you can write here my document. So that will become in your footnote. Okay, or else copyright something, copy write TCS. Okay, so I put it like this one. So this copyright I put it. Okay, and this is a footnote and this is the that footnote one. Okay, and you can write here my document. So that is the footnote of that one. Okay, that write it showing something here. Okay, insert footnote, next footnote, you can edit it. And also we have the bibliography option. So if you want to create the bibliography, so you can create it here. So let's suppose I created the bibliography here. Right now showing the no sources here, so we can put any source if you want here. So it's a very easy to create the contents and the bibliography. You can edit many things are there for this. Now I want to update my table because I added the bibliography also. Now you can see here bibliography is also there. and is showing the all the pages that is in the document. So this is all about is this tutorial. Thank you guys.